Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, the sweater turned gray. That means that autofill is disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!